Hi beautiful lovers, welcome back to another great recipe, peanut butter soup, which we know as groundnut soup. Groundnut soup is a healthy and delicious recipe. Have you tried out this? If you want to know how I prepare this soup, stay tuned to this video and let's dive into it. Of good things, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. If today is your first time coming across this great channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my peanut soup. Yes, peanut soup. You can use peanut soup for any meal of your choice. You can use it for rice, pounded yam, your fufu, almost every meal you want to eat. You can use this peanut soup for it. So guys, without taking much time, let's go ahead with all the ingredients that is present here. And this soup is a very fast and easy soup. Just stay tuned and don't miss out anything from this video. And I want to say a very big thank you to all my supporters. Thank you for always tuning in. You that is joining us, I really do appreciate you for joining the family. I have my chicken here. I have my chicken and I decided to mix it with some liver. These are the meats I'm going to be using. Black pepper, rosemary leaf. You can also decide to add thyme if you want to make this. I have my chips. I also have salt here. Have my Maggi cube. Let's start by marinating it. Okay, this is where marinate. Before we go ahead with the rest ingredients, my pot is already on top of the gas. Let's go ahead. Olive oil. A little. Let's go ahead with the rest ingredients. Is my peanut butter. I have my blended tomatoes, garlic, 2 scotch bonnet pepper, onions, as you saw it earlier. We were having 3 scotch bonnet pepper, so I decided to keep one aside and I blended 2 scotch bonnet pepper. I have my ginger, blended ginger. And okporoko, yes, I will be adding okporoko to this food. It has been soaked, washed, and maintain. I have my oregano leaf, black pepper. I have, because groundnut, when you are adding ingredients to your groundnut, you have to be careful because groundnut is sweet and salty. These are the ingredients we are going to be using for this peanut butter soup. Yes, peanut butter soup. Stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. the meat, and don't worry about the meat stain. At this stage, we are going to add our blended tomatoes, onions, garlic. I'm going to stir it. Taste for salt and some mango cube. My chicken. I will add my chicken. I will add the remaining mango cube. Little salt. Leaf, just little. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. You can see how the soup looks so delicious, and the outcome was so perfect. If you have not tried out this recipe, please do give it a try. You will enjoy it the way I do really enjoy this soup. So thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a huge thumbs up as you finish watching. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.